Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to use your OKX Web3 wallet to earn daily passive income without staring at charts all day. But before we get started, if you find tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So guys, first download your OKX wallet from App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you have, and set it up. So to keep your risk near zero as a beginner, you are going to invest using stable coins like USDT or USDC. Unlike Bitcoin, which crashes up and down, stable coins are digital dollars. They are permanently tied to the value of the actual US dollar, meaning 1 USDT will always equal 1 real dollar. So once you've downloaded your OKX wallet, fund it with some USDT or USDC. So this is my OKX wallet right here. Let's click it. Guys, for the purpose of this video, our focus is going to be on the DeFi and Boost icon at the bottom right of your screen. Okay, so once you've funded your wallet with some stable coin, you then tap the DeFi icon right here. So you click the stable coin you deposited. Assuming you deposited USDT, you click USDT. You could see a list of decentralized protocols or where you can deposit your USDT to securely lend them out and get paid interest. Okay, so we have Aave, Spark, and Syrup with their various APYs and TVLs. APY simply stands for annual percentage yield. This is the interest rate you will earn on your money over 1 full year. Okay, with a massive you can see that Aave has an APY of 2.78% with a TVL of $2.41 billion. Okay, so if for instance you invest $500 into Aave at 2.78%, you'll earn roughly 13.90 passive income. And if you put that same $500 into Spark at 2.48%, you make about $2.4. It is very safe and predictable. Okay, so all you have to do is just input the amount of USDT you wish to invest right here, and that's it. Okay, so once you master your basic DeFi savings, you'll notice an icon. Let's head back. You'll notice an icon at the bottom of your screen called Boost. This is it right here. Let's click it. Guys, Boost is basically an on-chain trading loyalty program on OKX. So whenever you swap or trade tokens using the OKX wallet, it tracks your volume and gives you Boost credits. Okay, so OKX uses this credits to rank you on a leaderboard, which acts as your VIP ticket, to win free early token allocations from hot emerging projects. So you could click this view details tab right here to have a deeper understanding of it. You could go through the frequently asked questions below to learn more. Okay guys, you can see. So, and again guys, listen, because timing is everything, there is a massive OKX campaign. You could see it is live inside the Boost section right now. So to qualify for this free reward, you need a minimum Boost balance of $100. So you just click on this join button to register, but you have to act fast. This campaign is ending in exactly 20 hours 37 minutes. Okay, so guys, this is the perfect example of the Boost section. So it gives you a completely safe, risk-free shot at airdrop rewards just for holding and swapping. That's it, guys. You use the DeFi tab to let your savings grow safely with zero lockups. Then you make sure you keep a minimum of $100 over in your trading balance to qualify for big time sensitive events like the OKX campaign. You could see other ones that have ended already. You could see this, that claim is already ongoing. Aris Solstice, it has already ended. So by combining both, you are growing your money safely through lending while unlocking completely free crypto drops from the boost section without ever risking your principal investment, guys. So this brings us to the end of the video, guys. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.